How to remain upbeat about menopause. More than 40 million North American postmenopausal women can expect to live a third of their lives, up to 35 to 40 years, after the onset of menopause. However, centuries of negativity about the change of life pervade our culture still, and today's medical professionals often view menopause as a point in time focused on estrogen deficiency rather than a holistic process. 2. Much misinformation exists about menopause, aided and abetted by the heavy focus on youth culture and the desire to push aside anything that suggests aging. It shouldn't be this way. Menopause is a natural and inevitable part of the progression of every woman's life, and is to be celebrated and respected. Shaping a positive attitude toward menopause. Make a choice. You essentially have two choices: you can face menopause angrily and in denial, but it's still going to happen, or you can accept it and make the most of the transition period to set yourself up for the remainder of your life. ARIA label equals linked reference 3 greater than 3. When you feel negative emotions creeping up, or you find yourself overwhelmed by symptoms, stop and breath. Say to yourself, I accept this change. Remember that you're still a woman. In a youth-prone society, it is very easy to fall into the trap of feeling that post-reproductive age, your womanhood is somehow reduced. The reality is that you're no less a woman. In fact, menopause is one of the most unifying experiences for women. Use this change as an opportunity to connect with other women. By talking with other women about these changes, you can create new and lasting bonds that are forged through womanness. Reawaken your purpose. For many women, menopause is a time of redefinition of roles, interests, and reawakening of purpose. Many women find that this is a time for reflection about where they have been and where they are headed. Is there something that you have always wanted to do? Is it finally time to end or alter a negative relationship? Could this be the time for you to put yourself first and get what you've always wanted? Use anti-stress techniques. If you feel stressed during menopause, the fluctuating hormones are probably going to simply add to these feelings. Rather than reaching for a pill, consider ways to reduce the stress. Can you handle your workload differently? Can you take up yoga, meditation, a gym class? Deep breathing exercises can help with hot flashes. It takes practice but is very effective. Maintain good physical health. A healthy body will support a healthy mind and ease you through this transition. Use good food, water, and exercise to fortify you for this change in your life. Use food as a way to improve your mood. Turn to menopause superfoods such as unprocessed foods, fruit and vegetables, beans and pulses, fish, sugar-free foods, etc. 8. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. The changing hormone levels affect how the cells in our body retain moisture. Use exercise as a way of maintaining a good mood and good physical health. Exercise has also been proven to lower the intensity and frequency of hot flashes.